Understanding Under Advisement, a guide to English idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Our phrase of the day is under advisement. This phrase might sound formal and a bit complex, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your daily conversations. The phrase, under advisement, is commonly used in formal settings. When someone says they are taking a matter under advisement, it means they are considering it carefully before making a decision. They are not making an immediate decision but instead, taking time to think about it, often to ensure that all aspects are considered and to make the best possible decision. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember and use them correctly. The phrase, under advisement, has its roots in legal and governmental contexts. It's often used by judges in court when they need more time to consider the facts and laws before making a ruling. Over time, it has been adopted in more general contexts to convey careful consideration and deliberation. Now, let's see how to use under advisement in sentences. Remember, it's mostly used in formal contexts. 1. In a business meeting, the board will take your proposal under advisement and get back to you with a decision by next week. 2. In personal contexts, I'll take your suggestion under advisement, but I need some time to think about the potential outcomes. 3. In a negotiation, we appreciate your offer and will take it under advisement before proceeding further with the contract. While using under advisement, avoid these common mistakes. 1. Don't use it casually. It's a formal phrase, so it might sound out of place in casual conversations. 2. Don't rush the decision. If you say you're taking something under advisement, it implies you'll give it thoughtful consideration. Don't use the phrase if you intend to make a quick decision. And that's a wrap on under advisement. Remember, it's all about taking the time to consider something carefully before making a decision. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence in your formal interactions. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to take your English language journey under advisement with our series. See you in the next video.